What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. It's a day. I'm excited, guys, all right? Today, we got a special project for you guys, okay? We've been waiting for this joint for, had to be at least 2 months, okay? We're gonna be doing a DIY e-bike project on my dad's bike. Check her out. Ooh, I ordered a e-bike kit off of Alibaba, right? There it is. And to be honest, guys, I'm not gonna even recommend the joint because it took so long. Like, I had anxiety. I thought my dad was gonna disown me if it never came. But it's finally here. We're gonna get it all together and take you along for the ride, okay? We're gonna show you guys how to do it. This is all of our first time doing it, but I think we got it, all right? Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Banger videos, guys. Let's get into it. Now, this is a complete kit, guys. It comes with a rear hub motor. It came with the controller, the display, throttles. It came with the brakes, and it should have came with a battery. I don't know how they fit a battery in here, but it better be in here. That's all I know. So let's just go over all the pieces, make sure we got everything. This is a 2,000 watt hub motor, okay? We're doing some illegal stuff because technically I think the max wattage you can have on a motor is 750, but we got the need for speed and we couldn't settle for nothing less. Here's a controller, guys. 40 amp. This can handle a lot of power, okay? If you got a motor that big, you gotta have like a proper size controller. So we got the big boy. These are some connectors and a torque arm. Because this is like high power, you need this, all right? I talked about it in a previous video. Next, we got the grips. Boom, so this is the left grip. We got, what's a full? You got the full twisty, not the half. Okay, so motorcycle style. You got the brake levers. These are specially made for e-bikes because it has the motor cutoff cable. So when you engage the brake, the motor's not running at the same time. Pedal assist sensor. The display is pretty common one in the e-bike community, a SW900 display. This is a 48 volt, 17 amp hour battery. So you can get some good distance with this one. All right, so it looks like we got everything we need. So let's go ahead and start figuring out placement. All right, guys, we figured out where we're gonna mount the battery. It's kind of hard with the dual suspension bike. If you take a look down here, we have a shock right here. So most traditional bikes, you mount the battery in here. We have zero room. We were considering putting it upside down underneath the bike, but it's kind of close to the tire. And because it has suspension, it might rub if he's bouncing. So we're gonna mount it up here like that. Boom, let me know what you guys think. This is pretty much our only option besides using one of the electric XP racks and mount it on the back, but it takes away from the sporty look. So we're gonna mount it up here. All right, so the battery bracket is mounted on the bike. Look at the joint, nice and sturdy. Boom. Okay, next we're gonna move to the controller placement. We're thinking that we're gonna put the controller underneath here. The problem that we're facing is that these, I don't even know what this is called. Holders for the tubes. Just made that up. These holders for the tubes, huh?
Holders for the brake.
Holders for the brake lines. We need to chop this so we can have it flush on the bike frame. All right, guys, so we're currently trying to transfer the freewheel on from the old rim to the new hub rim, and we don't have the proper tool. My dad, what did you do? What is this? Specialized lug?
Tire lug.
He put a tire lug in there, and we're trying to take the joint off. It's hard as hell. Here we go. Ready? Dude, come on. Yeah, it's not going. All right, so currently I'm putting on the front tire. We bought him some new tires because them joints was old as hell. So we put him back on the front tire. My dad is taking off the crank. We're gonna put on the pedal assist sensor, the cadence sensor. So yeah, we're almost done with the joint. What Jane?
Almost done.
After that, we just gotta put on the rear tire and then connect all the wires. That should be good, right?
Yeah, we didn't show them the mounted
yeah, show them the mounted controller. We mounted it underneath the battery, upside down. It only took 2 screws. Also, we will end up painting this controller black just so it can match the bike a little bit better. But for the time being, we're just trying to get everything on there. Dude, this has been a true project, huh, Jane?
Yeah, it's been like.
All right, we spent like the last 2 hours, 3 hours just on the rear wheel trying to align the freaking brake up with the joint. The problem with these e-bike kits, yeah, they're universal, but it's not tailor-made to the bike. So we had to like jerry-rig the joint. Finally, the brake is like aligned with the actual caliper. We plugged all the wires in. Show them the wires, Jane. Boom, bang, bip. Okay? It's color coordinated, super easy. We plugged in the battery down here. We turned it on. We have power. Okay, guys? Jane's gonna hit that throttle, and we're just gonna give it a little test spin and see if it actually works. We got power, guys. It's moving. Do it again. That's kilometers per hour, guys. We got a speed demon over here, okay? So, I think we're gonna wrap it up tonight, because we literally spent like 7 hours doing this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So we're gonna wrap it up tonight, and I know it looks like a mess right now, but tomorrow I think we're gonna reconvene and just tidy everything up. We still gotta put the display on the handlebars and everything, but we got a working e-bike. We just gotta tune it up a little bit. So we will check in with you guys tomorrow. Hit the like button. This has been a journey, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a new day. It's the next day, guys. Here is the finished product of the joint. So what we did with all the wires for now, we just wrapped it in duct tape, black duct tape. And to be honest, it looks cool for the time being. I'm gonna reach out to Randy. Randy, if you're watching this joint, we need your 3D printing capabilities, okay? We need you to come up with some type of like, I don't know, cover for it, just to make it look neat. But other than that, I mean, it looks pretty good. Also, this bike, it didn't come stock with a fender. We actually used this from a spare electric XP fender. We chopped it a little bit, and we had to like bend it because, you know, we have the fat tires, so we didn't want it to look crazy with this. This is a 2.1 tire thickness, and then my dad made a specialized custom bracket to fit on the joint. Like, it looked like it came with the bike for sure. What do you think, Jane?
Looks good.
It looks good. I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is actually my dad's bike. We built this for him. This is not my bike. I'm gonna see if I can convince him into trading the electric XP for this. I don't know, who knows? But for the video, I'm gonna take it for a spin. We're just gonna see, you know, just how it feels initially. Also, this is the custom helmet, it matches the bike. I know you guys missed the Elsa Frozen joint, but you gotta match with your bike, right? So let's just get into the joint. I'm ready to ride the joint. I know you guys are ready to see me ride the joint, so let's just get into it. So look, we got pedal assist, working. Yeah, she can't even keep up with me. I'm in pedal assist 1, guys. Drop it, let's put it up to 2. No, we're in 4, forget it. Woohoo, we out.
Yeah, I can't keep up.
Alright guys, we're gonna do a hill climb test real quick. See how this puppy goes uphill. This bike has so much power, guys, where I don't even want to pedal. It's more like a freaking motorcycle at this point.
Street at?
Electric, I want a refund, okay? I need 2,000 watts. Pure power in your next e-bike, okay? I'm not playing. Guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, hit that like button 123 times for your boy. Also want to shout out Old Rider. He's one of the guys that was in my live stream, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to you. And also, if you guys want to see more DIY builds, let me know in the comments down below. I got some ideas for some stuff, okay? We got a couple of bikes laying around the house, or we might just get a new bike. You never know. That's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until the next one, deuces like that.
Look, money, my money, my money. Living a life and that for me. You cannot tell me you want me. I gotta get it 100. I gotta get it 100. 100 times over 1,000. Looking at me like I'm